Welcome aboard flight HVN 922, operated by Vietnam Airlines, on a simulated journey from Phnom Penh, Cambodia, to Hanoi, Vietnam. Our journey begins at Techo International Airport, south of Phnom Penh. Shortly after departure, the aircraft turns north and begins a steady climb over the green Cambodian countryside, passing fields, rural villages, and the waterways of the Mekong Basin. Our recorded tracking starts at approximately 2,000 meters above sea level. As HVN 922 crosses northern Cambodia, the aircraft continues climbing over the landscapes of Kampong Cham and Kampong Thom. At around 35 kilometers, the altitude reaches 4,244 meters. Near 82 kilometers, it passes 6,081 meters, followed by 7,719 meters at approximately 142 kilometers. The climb continues toward cruising altitude. At 200 kilometers, the aircraft reaches 9,144 meters. Then, at approximately 268 kilometers, HVN 922 reaches 10,668 meters, or flight level 350, rising above a vast blanket of clouds. The aircraft now settles into a long and stable cruise over Laos. Crossing into Laotian airspace, HVN 922 maintains an altitude of around 10,668 meters as we glide above forests, rivers, and rugged mountain terrain. Around kilometer 552, the aircraft reaches 10,676 meters, passing high above Savanakhet and Kamuani. For most of the remaining cruise, the altitude stays between 10,660 and 10,676 meters. By kilometer 815, HVN 922 continues smoothly above the dramatic peaks of the Annamite Range. The descent begins as the aircraft approaches Vietnam, crossing over Ha Tinh province. At around 865 kilometers, the altitude falls to 9,738 meters as the mountain valleys gradually give way to coastal plains. Near kilometer 915, the aircraft reaches 8,832 meters over Nan, then descends through 7,201 meters at approximately 971 kilometers above Ton Hoa. Approaching northern Vietnam, the descent becomes more pronounced over the limestone mountains and rice fields of Ninh Bình. At kilometer 1,033, the aircraft is at 4,854 meters. Near kilometer 1,070, the altitude falls to approximately 4,039 meters as HVN 922 enters the airspace of the Red River Delta, heading toward Hanoi. The aircraft passes 2,576